Hi guys. To adjust the tension on your sewing machine, start by making sure your bobbin is threaded correctly. Then thread the machine properly as well. Keep in mind the tension setting will mostly depend on the fabric that you're working with. My tension dial usually stays between 2 and 3. I mostly just adjust tension using the top thread hook. So for satin fabric like this, I wrap the thread around the top hook up to 4 times or until the tension feels just right. I hope this helps.